Good day. My name is Dr. Naleen Koen, and I'm the first year dietetics coordinator in the Division of Human Nutrition at Stellenbosch University. My presentation today will briefly cover the following topics. What is a dietitian? Dietetics at SU, our admission requirements and selection, academic matters, the new curriculum, training platforms, job opportunities, our postgraduate offering, and professional matters. So what is a dietitian? Well, to summarize in a nutshell, a dietitian is an expert in dietetics, thus human nutrition and the regulation of diet. We advise people on what to eat in order to lead a healthy lifestyle or to achieve a specific health-related goal. Dietitians are qualified health professionals registered with the Health Professions Council of South Africa. It requires a minimum qualification of a 4-year scientific degree, including 1-year community service, and we train dietetic students in all aspects and fields of nutrition. Dietetics at SU. The home department for the B.Sc Dietetics degree at Stellenbosch University is the Division of Human Nutrition, situated within the Department of Health, Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences on the Tygerberg campus. Our division was established in 1991 and consists of approximately 30 staff members, including full-time, part-time and administrative staff. The current head of the division is Professor Zikumbiso Mbenyani. The degree is a full-time degree offered face-to-face on the Tygerberg campus, and all modules for the degree are compulsory. The SU minimum admission requirements for dietetics are a national senior certificate qualification with an aggregate of at least 50%, and with at least 50% for mathematics, physical science, and life science. Our selection is according to defined guidelines, and we select 35 candidates a year for the program. Academic matters. The program includes community nutrition, food service management, and therapeutic nutrition components. The program is comprehensive, nationally and internationally relevant, and the students are trained and developed within a dynamic, integrated, and professional environment. And the training consists of a thorough theoretical component and high-quality practical training component. Community nutrition. In the community nutrition discipline, dietitians strive to improve the health, nutrition, and well-being of groups and individuals. Community nutrition dietitians develop policies and programs that help people and communities improve their eating patterns and health. Community nutrition modules are embedded in our curriculum from the 2nd to the 3rd year, starting with nutrition in the life cycle in the 2nd year, community nutrition modules in the 3rd and 4th year. The community nutrition staff in the Division of Human Nutrition consist of the coordinator, Dr. Lynette Daniels, Professor Lizanne du Plessis, Ms. Tembekele Dlamini, and Mrs. Renelle Bekers. Food service management. The food service dietitian has expertise in compiling therapeutic diets and menus for large-scale food service units and managing all aspects of the planning, forecasting, and day-to-day running of the unit. Food service modules are embedded in the curriculum from the 1st to the 4th year, starting with foods in the 1st year, followed by food production and systems in the 2nd year, management principles in the 3rd year, and a food service internship in the 4th year. The food service management staff in the Division of Human Nutrition consist of the coordinator, myself, Dr. Naleen Koen, Ms. Nikki Fredericks, and Mrs. Yolanda Smith. Therapeutic nutrition. Therapeutic nutrition includes the application of nutrition and behavioral sciences in the nutritional care of patients, including the prevention and treatment of disease. The therapeutic dietitian is an integral part of the multidisciplinary team treating patients and clients. Therapeutic nutrition modules are embedded in the curriculum from the 1st to the 4th year, starting with nutrients in health in the 1st year, nutrition status assessment in the 2nd year, and therapeutic nutrition modules in the 3rd and the 4th year of study. The therapeutic nutrition staff in the division consist of the coordinator, Professor Renee Blau, Dr. Zarina Ebrahim, Ms. Valentine Kumalo, Dr. Yvette van Niekerk, and Mrs. Janneke Visser. The new curriculum. A new curriculum for B.Sc Dietetics was implemented at Stellenbosch University in January 2022. The new program is designed to meet the needs of entry-level outcomes as stipulated by the Professional Board for Dietetics and Nutrition. The focus is equally on therapeutic nutrition, community nutrition, and food service management. The program also has a strong research component. The aim of the new curriculum is to enable students, and therefore future dietitians, to function holistically within an interprofessional environment. Our training platforms. Dietetics students at Stellenbosch University receive their dietetics training at various locations throughout the Western Cape, including the Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences at the Tygerberg campus, Tygerberg Hospital, the Bishop Lavis Community Clinic, food service units at private hospitals throughout the metropole, as well as our rural clinical school or rural platforms in Worcester, Parel, and Hermanus. Job opportunities. Now, job opportunities for registered dietitians include working as a dietitian for the Department of Health in a hospital or a community setting, working as a private practicing dietitian or a hospital dietitian in the private sector, as a food service dietitian in a large-scale food service unit, including hospitals, old age homes, student residences, cafeterias, as well as correctional services, working in the food service industry and being involved, for example, with product development and food labeling, working as a sales representative for enteral and parenteral nutrition companies, doing nutrition-related research, and working in academia or as a nutrition journalist, and lastly, working as a consultant to the industry. Our postgraduate offering at SU. The postgraduate offering at Stellenbosch University include a master's degree in therapeutic nutrition, a master's in public health nutrition, as well as a master's in food and nutrition security. We also offer a PhD in nutritional sciences. Professional matters. As a registered dietitian, there are various organizations that you can join depending on your area of practice. This includes ADSA, the Association of Dietetics in South Africa, SASPEN, the South African Society for Parenteral and Enteral Nutrition, the NSSA, which is the Nutrition Society of South Africa, as well as SAFOS, the South African Association for Food Sciences and Technology. In conclusion, if you are passionate about nutrition and health, working with people and being part of a multidisciplinary team, dietetics might just be the career for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, or you can contact the selection office at the faculty at tuigselections@sun.ac.za. Thank you very much.